Hi, welcome in next video about Google Cloud Platform. In this video I will show you how to connect to Hadoop interface. In the previous video I create the cluster with two nodes and I create the connection to the graphical user interface. So now what we need to do is open the Hadoop interface. More information about the interface you can find in this page, and there are also the URL of the Hadoop. There are the master node name. The name you can find here. This is your master node name. As you can see, I am logged into the machine. I have logged before. If you want to see how to do this, please check my previous video. Now you can see that we connect to the Hadoop interface. Let's check the other interface and change the port. Thank you for today and see you in the next video. Bye.